Welcome back to another crypto video. Hey ladies and gents, hope you're doing amazing and hope you had a really nice day. Today we're going to check out Harmony One. I'm going to look at 3 real bullish reasons as to why I think Harmony One is really undervalued right now. And I also want to look at DeFi Kingdoms, which is one of the biggest play to earn platforms, which also contributes $140 million total value locked into the Harmony One ecosystem. So it's really strong, really bullish momentum we've got probably coming in the upcoming weeks, if not months, for Harmony One. And as we can see here on the Cointelegraph, here's 3 reasons why you can be bullish on Harmony. And some of the reasons is one of the benefits from Harmony's 300 million ecosystem development fund. We can also see here, if we scroll down a little bit more, Harmony One is also in the final stages of creating a native bridge to the Bitcoin network, which is expected to release before the end of Q1 2022. So that's pretty bullish in itself, And also another really bullish element is that new users and ecosystem growth are back record high total value locked. So that's really good to see, an all-time high of $1.25 billion. And that's pretty significant when you look at the TVL to market cap ratio. It's giving you like phantom vibes. Very bullish, very good to see. So yeah, really nice project, and it's another infrastructure kind of project too. You can even see here, actually, as you scroll down, several DeFi protocols are thriving on the Harmony network, including DeFi Kingdoms, 747 million in the TVL. Wow, even more than what I just said because of Jewel, and Tranquil Finance with 200 million, as well as a few other sort of DeFi instances. So it looks super bullish. Really nice to see that one there. We can see here, DeFi Kingdoms has 140 million TVL, so we're getting 2 bits of information. Either way, we can see DeFi Kingdoms is a game built on the Harmony blockchain with a whole ecosystem of features, including a DEX and its native token Jewel. So you can actually play this game, earn money, you can stake on it, you can provide liquidity through a liquidity pair. It's a really cool game. I did check it out recently, and I'm going to probably start playing it. It gives me some real old school RuneScape vibes, cross like Pokemon back in the day. I mean, look at those graphics, so old school, pretty OG stuff. So yeah, really bullish on the Harmony network, and I think in the future, looking 5 to 10 years, it has growth to go beyond $5 quite easily. So yeah, before we jump into that price analysis, make sure you do subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and let's crack on. So Harmony One is trading at 0.78, so 17 cents basically, rank 58, 2 billion market cap. It's a massive market cap right there, 2 billion. And if you look at the 30 days, we're down 42%, so we've got a lot of fear, a lot of capitulation in the marketplace at the moment. On the 2 weeks, we're down 37%. So looking at the price action at the moment on the weekly time frame, we are still underextended on that 20-day moving average. We're pretty low on the RSI. We're not getting any momentum come through, so there's no trading volume, and we're sort of consolidating down here between this range of 0.16 and 0.189 dollars. So it very much reminds me of this back in December, where we saw that big impulse. We retraced back to our 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is like the golden Fibonacci level. And we've got that impulse, we had that retracement, we found support here, and we haven't even gone down to this 0.162 level yet, and maybe we actually won't, because if we get the retracement here on the fib level, you can see that's already below the 0.786, and we had massive buying pressure around this particular area. If we hop into that 4-hour time frame, I mean, look at that, that's a lot of support along this particular level here, and it's probably very unlikely that we're going to break this support level. I think as long as we can see Bitcoin and the rest of the market flourish and rise. As you can see here, we've got a bit of a double top, but I'm actually seeing more of a descending triangle play out. So I anticipate that we will probably come back up to the 0.21 resistance level soon. We've got the 0.186 that's flipped back into resistance, and we've also got these 2 support levels down below. So I think it's very critical that we do hold this support level at 0.173. And I think we're going to break to the upside of this descending triangle in the 4-hour time frame, come to 0.184, then we get that breakout to the upside, retesting this big resistance level over here, demonstrated by this wick, and I think it's looking really bullish for Harmony One. So yeah, very nice project, and we've got some big bullish action in the near term future for a long position, as well as potential short positions if we lose the support here as well. If we zoom back out onto that daily time frame, you know, I do think it's very important as well for us to retest this diagonal resistance. And when we do come through there, we'll do an update video soon and see, you know, whether we break out of this particular diagonal resistance level as well. On the 30-minute time frame, you know, it's really just demonstrating a bit more of that consolidation, lots of support around here, and it looks like we're just breaking out of that 0.178 resistance at the moment. So looking super bullish for Harmony One. Very, very awesome project. Check out that DeFi Kingdoms as well, which we just looked at here. If you are keen to look at the play to earn, do a bit of research. It's really, really cool. You can make a lot of money over the long term, and it's also quite fun as well. So check that out. And yeah, before you go, just want to make a big thank you to all the support from the patrons: Mud, Peter Alp, Cara, Jordan, Barber. Do also hop into the Discord channel. We are talking about lots of DeFi stuff. It's really, really cool. And also you'll receive an ebook as well, which is on Amazon, and I'll send that to you for free at any patron level. So if you see here, it's literally £3, so around $4. You can become a patron as well, so that will help the community grow, thrive, and you know, everyone is also happy. So if you want to support, please do. That would be amazing. So yeah, thanks guys, see you in the next video.